think that is the only thing which Aam Aadmi Party is doing. No other party is doing that thing. Delhi is a case in point whereby Aam Aadmi Party has declared that its manifesto for the coming assembly elections will be prepared by actively soliciting people's views. Aam Aadmi Party is going door to door in Delhi and they are making two manifestos there. One is for that particularly assembly constituency area and one for the whole Delhi. As our manifesto is being drafted, I can tell you our generic policy on the IT industry in India. First of all, I would like to show some undisputed facts, which are IT sector is one of the most flourishing industries in India. No other industry all over India has grown so much as of the IT industry. Compared to other industries, IT sector has less government laws regulating it. So, there is a thing that if labor laws are included there, then I think that there will be more government interference in each and everything of the IT sector also. To successfully compete in the global market, IT industry voluntarily adopts the best practices followed worldwide. It strengthens our argument that the success of the IT industry in India is due to less government control and more freedom. If you say it in short, it is called Swaraj. Swaraj means people's rule. So the people working in IT industry, they are free. They are not under any particular labor law right now, under any law. So it gives a better option to them. IT industry has for past 2 decades has contributed hugely to the economic growth of our country. Aam Aadmi Party believes in inclusive growth and empowerment of common men of our country. The IT industry has achieved this very successfully. The IT industry has provided employment and growth opportunity to various sections of society, especially youth and women from small towns and villages. Aam Aadmi Party feels very strongly on the empowerment of women who are equal citizens of this country. IT industry has provided opportunity for women and give them equal opportunity and financial independence. This growth, however, has come at a price, such as concentration of growth and increase in population in a few selected metros. As Mr. Prabhakar just now gave some data regarding that 60% growth of this biotechnology has come into Bangalore only. How many people out of you belong to Bangalore only? How many are the natives of Bangalore? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maximum 10. How many people will be here right now? Around 300, 200, 300. The point is, why the governments have not been able to provide the employment as an IT to their village, to their place. Aam Aadmi Party believes that IT industry is ready to decentralize and diversify its operations, provided the governments encourage rural IT and BPO through better connectivity and a corruption-free atmosphere. This will result in youth continuing to live in their own homes with their families and at the same time making an honest and profitable living. Additionally, it will reduce cost for the industry and ensure that youth grow up in familiar surroundings. Aam Aadmi Party believes that IT industry has made our country proud and has established our country on the world map with an indelible footprint. If multinational companies are willing to come from around the world all the way to Bangalore, they would surely set up their establishment in smaller towns like Mysore, Kolar, Dharwad, Davangere, Tumkur, etc. Wherever we will provide them the opportunity, we will provide them the setup, they will be ready. Aam Aadmi Party believes that this will provide greater and more inclusive growth and promote an all-around healthier society. More than the above, I am here to listen to various problems to you, the IT professionals face, and request you all to help us in preparing our manifesto. And I think that this is the agenda. In fact, the agenda is completely wrong. The agenda is that what is the political party's manifesto for IT people. In fact, it should be like political parties should come to you and they should listen that what you want in your manifesto. There has come a point like some laws should be there, labor laws and etc. I would like to say that I will just give an example. Take the example of mining industry. Mining industry has all the laws. What you have seen there in Karnataka, you have seen the biggest scams of this country. This mining is scam. And now, there is this IT industry, and that's why it is very much flourishing. Why in mining is scam, why mining industry, only few people are getting the benefits, and in IT industry, most people are getting the benefits. It is because of the non-inclusion of government. Government does not have more hand inside the IT industry. You should understand this thing. Like, as you know that Aam Aadmi Party has been built up on one big issue, and that big issue was called as corruption. Everybody in India is right now frustrated with corruption, and that is why when 2 years back Anna Hazare started a movement, everybody joined, and in Bangalore most of the IT people joined this movement. Later on, what happened that we were thinking till that time that this government will listen to this crowd, to the people of India, to the citizens of India. But this government tried to play something, and government means not only a single party. I am not talking about a single particular party. I am talking about all those parties who were sitting in that parliament on the day when there was a unanimous decision taken on this Lokpal bill. This unanimous decision of the parliament was taken on 3 main points, and after that, out of those parties only, there was a committee was made to think about that those 3 points. What was the need of that? Were those members not present in that day when this unanimous decision was being taken out? Coming to the IT sector again, there have been problems about employees working hours. There have been problems about scamster companies growing up, which take money from the people and then they don't give them the jobs. Regarding this, we don't need, I think that we don't need to improve, make some IT laws. It is as a common thing. It is common to every other field also. Why we are discriminating amongst different industries or within an industry also? Why we are discriminating against between a manager of the company and the driver of the company? Aren't both of them human? If both of them are human, both of them are citizens of India. Why is this that we want some particular law for a particular company? So with this thing, as you know that I am not here to give the solution, because who we are, all the panelists, we are nothing. We are nothing in front of the people for whom the policies have to be made. It is you who have to decide that what policies you want, and we will request you to send all your suggestions to contact@aamaadmiparty.org. Whenever you there will be a manifesto being ready up, we will tell you that this is the time now we want all the inclusions, all the suggestions from people, just like as we did in General Parliament. So we are here just to listen, not to advise you. You are capable of thinking. That's all. Bharat Mata ki Jai!